Hi everyone, the Spiderman here. So guys, it's time to rehouse my new Theraphosa apophysis. And as you know, 3 days ago it had a nice large red runner. So it's eaten a red runner a long time ago. So as you can see in the video guys, I have a 3-ounce brass plast tub. I have some sphagnum moss because this species likes it a little bit with a lot of humidity inside the enclosure. So sphagnum moss is absolutely perfect. I have a water dish, just a milk bottle top, and a hide. So first thing we've got to do guys is take the lid off and put some substrate in. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that little bit of music there. So as you can see, I've put a couple of inches of substrate in there, the water dish, so let's just top that up while we're here. Don't worry guys, I'm not using Lucozade. So yeah, I have some sphagnum moss, like I said, just for holding humidity. And the cork bark so the spider can go inside there, web up and do its own thing. So the last thing to do guys is get my new T apophysis and put it into its new enclosure. So there goes everyone. I'm just going to give it a little touch with my tongs. It's dying to get out of this small little tub. And there we go, and it can stretch its legs and do its own thing. So it's exploring its new enclosure already, and straight down its burrow. Very leggy, so possibly a male, but yeah, don't hold me to that guys, we'll find out in the future. So give it another 2 or 3 days, let it settle down into its new enclosure, and I'll give it a feed. So to finish off this video guys, I'm going to be going around my collection and feeding some tarantulas with some Dubia Roaches. So guys, first up is going to be one of my Sapopius amernios. Now this is the bigger one out of the two. So if I just wiggle the roach here, it should come out and grab its meal. As you know, Dubia roaches do like to burrow down in the substrate, so there can be a little bit of a pain to try and dig out. So that's why I'm using my tongs. Yep, there we go. Beautiful. Let's go on to the next one. So next up is my green bottle blue. Should be hungry. Here goes. Oh, wow. Now that was quick. So guys, if I just shine the light on this beautiful tarantula. Oh my god. Wow. Look at them amazing colours. But no more look guys, I probably think this one could be a male again. Very small abdomen, but probably just needs a good feed. But yeah, only time will tell. But that was a fantastic takedown. Always nice to see your tarantulas eat after it's molted. Make sure, guys, that you give it a good 7 days to recover from its molt. Let its body and fangs harden up, and then give it a feed. So let's go on to the next one. Next up, guys, is my Brachypalma Amelia, my 3-inch female. Let's see if she'll take a roach down. Here goes. Oh yes, no problem at all. Absolutely stunning. I can't wait until she gets a little bit bigger. These can easily obtain around a 5 to a 6 inch in leg span, so they are fairly big. I have gone round my collection, guys, and not many tarantulas that hungry on, unfortunately, but yeah, it's just the way it goes. You can't make them eat if they don't want to, but yeah, we'll leave her alone now, and let's go on to the next one. So, guys, last but not least, this is Scarlet, my 4-inch female Cathoscurria geniculata. So let's just zoom in a bit more. So I've got a nice large Dubia Roach. So here goes, everyone. So it looks like she's having a good fight with it, guys. This is the first feed in my care. And I've just filled up her water dish as well. So yeah, stunning tarantula. And as you know, because I had Scarlet, who sadly passed away, she was at least 7 to 7.5 inch in leg span. So yeah, she's got absolutely plenty of growing to do. And there we go, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Fantastic to see her eating. And I think I'll leave her alone now, guys, to enjoy her meal. So I hope you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen. And thanks for watching, everyone.